Why does the US allow companies to purchase patents solely for the purpose of litigation, even if there's no product associated with it? Well, it's the US of A, baby, and you can sell whatever you want.
Freedom. Just kidding.
Now, there's some policies, right? Hey, this is just business. This is capitalism at its best. Let's dig in a little bit. Some policy reasons. There are some reasons to perhaps set up some boundaries. It is important to consider some of the ramifications of litigation, right? Litigation. If your entity, and these are patent trolls, let's just say it, this is what gave these types of companies bad reputations, is that these are companies that exist solely to threaten, settle, will actually go to court and litigate. And they're not actually making any widgets. They're not really contributing or making anything of value for the world. That doesn't sound good, okay? And so there may be some reasons to put some guardrails around those types of companies. But the truth is, inventors still benefit. And that is why I advocate, I think it's still a very positive thing. It's a win for the inventor. The inventor gets paid because they did all the work, research, effort it might take to develop a new product, a new thing, a new contribution to the field of art, the field of study, and their reward is financial. And so they're going to be incentivized to keep on inventing. Okay, and that's kind of one of the major policy reasons, maybe the policy reason, that the patent law was
Yeah, I think you nailed it right on the head, JD. I think that's right. And of course, I mean, a lot of patent owners can't afford to litigate the big guys, right, who rip them off, right? They need the backing of those big law firms who are going to take it on potentially contingent fee. Or, they need that third party who's going to come in, just buy the patent, and then use their resources to litigate. So
exactly.
Either way, it serves the inventor and our society by promoting, the useful arts, right?
100%. And if we didn't allow litigation, my goodness, why get a patent to begin with? You have to enforce your rights. So I think it's challenging, but it is part of the process.